Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will learn about the plants and their care. Plants are very important for us. We can find them everywhere. They are in a different shapes and sizes. They make the air clean and cool. They also bring rains. They are called our green friends. There are the many types of plants. The various category of plants: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Do you know what is the herb, shrub, and tree? What is the difference between herb, shrub, and tree? So listen carefully. Trees. Big and tall plants are called trees, like mango, banyan, asoka. And herbs are small plant with soft stem. Do you know what is the stem? This is the stem. Herbs are small plant with soft stem. For example, mint, coriander, spinach. And third is shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees, like cotton, tulsi, and rose plant. Do you know what is the importance of the plants? Okay, before read this chapter, we will discuss about the importance of the plants. Plants are important for our earth and all living things. Plants absorbs carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Plants gives us to fresh air. Plants provide us food, shelter, medicine, clothing. Plants and trees around us. We see different types of the plants. We have already discussed about it. We also see common trees like banyan trees. We see fruit trees like apple, pineapple. And in cold hilly areas we find trees like fir and pine. Okay, let's start our chapter. First, you can see the figure of plant, parts of a plant. Two main parts of the plant. The first is the shoot system and second is the root system. What is the difference between shoot system and root system? Root system, under the root system that absorbs water and minerals. And what is the shoot system? Under the shoot system there are the many parts of the plant. We will discuss about fruit. What is the fruit? Function of fruit. Fruit protect the seeds. And stems. What is the work of stem? Supports the plants. Support the plant. And what is the work of leaf? Leaf. What is the work of leaf? Perform photosynthesis. Perform photosynthesis. And what is the work of fruit? Protect the seeds. Protect the seeds. Let's start our chapter. Plants are living organisms like us. Each plant has different parts. The main parts of a plant are roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Plants have two main systems, the root system and the shoot system. Let us learn about the structure and function of the various parts of a plant. The root system. The part of a plant that is below the surface of the earth is called a root. The part of the plant that is below the surface of the earth is called root. Two types of root system are observed in plants. The first is taproot system and the fibrous root system. First is taproot system. Some plants have a main root called the taproot. This taproot grows vertically down in the ground and gives out branches on all the sides. These branches are called lateral and side roots. The taproot is quite thick, but its branches are much thinner. This is the main root, and these are the side roots. You can see these are the side roots.